Sabi nila, the best glow up is the one they never see coming. But for me, the best glow up is the one I did for myself. Welcome to Glow Up Inay. This channel isn't just about skincare or outfits. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and your worth. You're seeing my life, but hindi yung mukha ko because I want na mas maging open ako. So, gusto ko faceless channel muna tayo for now. I'm starting this as a digital diary for my 23-year self. If you're a Pinay who's tired of waiting for life to happen and ready to make it happen yourself, then you're in the right channel. This is entry number 1. Let's grow up and glow up together. Let's talk about phrase every NBSB Pinay hears. At least may makita silang family or friends. Sayang ka naman. Usually may kasunod yan. Ang ganda mo sana kaso wala kang boyfriend. Today, we're talking about decentering men. I realize kasi na society treat us like we are incomplete or stuck in a waiting room if wala kang boyfriend. Pero what if I told you na being NBSB is actually the perfect starting point for decentering men? Let's dive in. Kasi it gives me the space to see center men and realize na hindi sila ang finish line ng self-improvement ko. My glow up doesn't start when nakahanap na ako ng isa. It start right now and with me, even alone. So, ano nga ba talaga yung decentering men na yan? Simple lang, for me, it's about shifting your focus instead of being liked by men or finding the one, yung hobby mo, yung main goal ng buhay mo. No, actually yung main goal mo dapat is yung sarili mo. Yung goals mo in life. Sa atin kasing mga Pinay, we are raised to be dalagang Pilipina, always catering to others, being presentable for potential manliligaw, and feeling pressure na dapat may kadate ka sa kasal or events ng kamag-anak mo at mga kaibigan mo. For me, decentering men's, you stop performing for the male gaze and start living for your own gaze. For me, yung decentering man, hindi siya about yung you'll never date again, hindi na ako magkaka-boyfriend, asawa. No, hindi yun. It means I stop making a hypothetical man the center of my self-worth na parang if wala sila na incomplete ako, pangit ako, walang ganun. Dati ang mindset ko kasi, sana may magkagusto sa akin para ma-prove ko na maganda ako. Ngayon, maganda ako period. Whether may makapansin or wala, may boyfriend or wala, maganda ako. And that is fact. Growing up NBSB, laging may stigma. Feeling ng iba may mali sa'yo, masyado ka bang matalino, masyado kang pihikan. Pero here's the reality of decentering as NBSB. Kasi sinabi nila kapag pinili ka, ikaw ng ganda mo, haba ng hair mo, na kaya dapat we are taught to wait to be chosen. Pero bakit mo hihintayin na piliin ka ng iba kung pwede mo naman piliin yung sarili mo everyday, 'di ba? And of course, may peace of mind ka habang yung iba na di-drain ang energy sa situationships at low bare minimum efforts ng mga lalaki. Your energy is intact and you are not sayang, you are just invested on your own self and in your own timeline. Kaya to my fellow NBSB Pinays, walang mali, hindi ka nakaligtaan. You are simply the main character ng buhay mo na hindi kailangan ng eksena ng lalaki para maging interesting tignan. Your life is already full. Your life is already good. You are enough. Again, it's not about being anti-man or being man-hater. No, it's not about that. For me, it's about being pro-self. When you decenter men, you actually attract better people, better friends, kasi you stop settling for low efforts or like kailangan meron pang taong dumating para lang maging masaya ka. No. You become so full yourself in a good way. Bonus na lang if someone comes a long way that can really match you. So, bye guys! That's our first episode. See you next time mga ka-glow up buddies.